This tutorial will show you how to get images online with Safari completely for free. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial. Okay, the first step to get images online completely for free is to open up Safari. In this case, I'm using iPhone or Android, but this will work for Windows or even Mac. Basically, you want to type in the following here, pexels.com, and then click enter or go. And once this website has been opened up and loaded, this is a free online royalty website where basically it's the best free stock photos and royal free images and videos completely for free. Now basically, if you scroll down, you have a list of different photos. You can click right here and there's what's trending and here's what's currently new. Now if you were to click on a photo, you can even click on the photo directly to preview. You can see this is who has uploaded the photo, and if you click on the top right hand screen, you can click free download and you have different size options. And you have different size options from the original photo to large, medium, small, and you get the point. And then you can click download and it's going to ask you, you sure you want to download? And as you can see, once opened up and loaded, you have successfully downloaded a picture or an image with Pexels. But if you want to download multiple pictures or images, just choose or locate another image of your choice and follow the same steps. Top right hand screen, click download selected. It's going to ask, do you want to download? And now voila, you have now successfully got images online with and using Safari with Pexels online completely for free.